Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video I'm bringing to you an exclusive video of this front home here. We're gonna give this house a brand new front lift. So today we're planning to put some stucco here on the side, and in the middle section we're gonna go with some wood panel just to give it a nice upgrade. And I want to walk you through step by step. So grab a beer or a soda, relax, and enjoy the video. Let me give you a walkthrough, show you what it's like, and show you what we're about to do in today's video. So the plan is to come right around here. We're gonna go all the way up to the stone right there with stucco. Previously we did this chimney here with stone. We did that herringbone there. Today we came back to put some stucco and some wood panel at the front here. So we're gonna come somewhere around here with the wood panel, go all the way up, and we're gonna come here. From over here gonna be stucco, over here gonna be wood. We're gonna wrap it right around here as well, so we're gonna stop it around here, go all the way up, gonna be stucco. And we're gonna go close to the door, step away around a foot from the door, over this way. We're gonna stop our stucco and have wood panel there. It's gonna be a very interesting video. Also, we're gonna have stucco right around here. Underneath there, we're gonna put wood. Stucco gonna be up here. Yeah. We also did the stone work here as well. If you're interested to see this video, you can feel free to go and check that out. We have that on our channel. We also have this column here. We did this column here. So feel free to go and check it out. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Okay, so I set up my scaffolding here. Set up scaffolding on this side over here. And we're setting scaffolding over this side. And we're about to start production now. I have my my buddy here, Henry Construction, EMO. You know, we work as a team. So we also do masonry, we also do stucco. As you see here, if you're interested in any of these services, feel free to reach out to us. Yeah, so today we're gonna give this home here a brand new lift. So stick around, it's gonna be a fun video. Go ahead. Okay guys, so this is where we're at so far. I remove all these trim that was here because we're gonna go with stucco along here and in the ceiling. And in the ceiling, we're gonna go with wood panel. This is where we're gonna finish our stucco. We're gonna come over here with stucco. Wood gonna go right along here. You see, we finish this section. We're removing all the soffit. We're gonna have new soffit there. So that's where the stucco gonna be, come all the way down. Yeah. So as you see here, now we're putting up our starter strip.
That lining there. Oh, that's my line. Bring me the level.
Here. Yeah.
Let's go for it. Hello, let's go for it. Yes.
So you see, once we start doing up this hill, we always want to start with a starter strip. Finishing here. Just plumb it up. So we're changing that sill over there as well, guys. So that's what we're doing right now. So guys, another thing we want to point out here, as you see, we raise it up around 1/4 inch from our sill, and we stagger our joint. So you see, we come here straight, we come out. So basically we're tying our joint. This one, we step back in, This one gonna come, we're gonna come back out so that way we can tie our joint as we go up. Over here you want to have a starter strip, so this hedge here is finished nicely because right here is where we're gonna have our wood panel gonna sit right onto that right there. This is all prepared. So here we're just pushing it over so that way we can have our 2 inches. So the one that's gonna go this way gonna be flush. No, unless 1 second. Oh, you can do your thing still.
You guys have the sales too?
Yeah.
Are you want to grab it?
Yeah, well you can do your thing.
Kesmedin mi? Bu kesersin. Evet. Bir indir aşağı.
Just use a level to tap it in. Make sure that it's snug onto the wall. Check for leveling as well. Good, Emery. That's the master, boy. Yeah.
O geçecek. Tamam, bunu kaç. You saw it.
Yeah, you send me.
The video.
Mm-hmm.
Saw it?
YouTube is the way right now, bro. Setting up our solder strip now.
Bunu böyle yapayım baba. Şurası sıkılmasın. Bana bir tane şey kessene. It's gonna look nice when it's done.
Oh, for sure. $77. Oh, your finger underneath it. Almost broke your finger. Okay, hold him right there, so. So I'm putting a 1/4 inch trim right underneath the bottom of my plywood just to raise it up 1/4 inch from off the sill before we go ahead and secure our plywood. Now we're just gonna use a drill and to drill into our brick wall to secure our plywood. After that, we're gonna use a top gun screw to screw into the plywood. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footage to where we are now, but I have video coming up where we're gonna go over to show you how I get here. What we normally do to get here, we normally get a rake, just a rake to make the foam a bit rough, so it's like a grater. You grate it down, and afterward you would start with a base coat. Base coat, it would be the same mortar that we're using here. We would apply it over our foam, and then we put a mesh, like a fiber mesh over it, and then we'll come back and put this coat that we're doing right here now. I have video where we'll go over it just so that way you guys can see. Maybe coming up in this video I probably will be able to find something, but for now I've been searching and I can't find a video where, but I'm pretty sure I record all of it, so footage probably just lost somewhere. Yeah, but my boy Henry was there. Here we're finished with almost finished with the installation of the plywood. We're gonna have all in the ceiling. We're gonna have a different color wood panel. It's a floated panel that we're gonna use here on the wall. We're gonna go with a brown. In the ceiling we're gonna go with a black. So we put up our plywood. We're gonna waterproof it soon, because it's very important for you to waterproof, so that way no water sneak can come behind here. Better, no? I want to hold it better.